Hi friends, good evening. We are going to start the chapter number 15, probability. We have already dealt with the chapter in 9th standard. We have a formula to find the probability of an event. The formula is given by number of favorable outcomes divided by total number of outcomes. The same formula which is studied in 9th standard. So that means to find the probability of an event E, the formula is given by number of favorable outcomes divided by total number of outcomes. For example, take the case of tossing a coin. When we toss a coin, there are two cases, there are two outcomes, and the outcomes are either a head can appear, we will denote by H, otherwise a tail can appear, we will denote by T. There are only two outcomes in the case of tossing a coin, either a head or a tail. Suppose that I want to find the probability of getting a head. So we are going to calculate the probability of getting a head. So we will write like this, getting a head in the bracket and capital P. This P stands for probability. So probability of getting a head is equal to formula given as number of favorable outcomes divided by total number of outcomes. Number of favorable outcomes divided by total number of outcomes. How many favorable outcomes are there in here? We need the probability of getting a head. So how many heads are there in total? 1. So the numerator will be 1 divided by total number of outcomes. How many outcomes are there in total? In total there are 2 outcomes. So the probability value will be 1 by 2. I repeat, there are only 2 outcomes while tossing a coin. We have to find the probability of getting a head. To find the probability of getting a head, the formula is number of favorable outcomes divided by total number of outcomes. Number of outcomes in favorable of getting a head is 1 and the total number of outcomes is 2. So that the probability value becomes 1 by 2. Suppose we want to find the probability of getting a tail. So again we will write like this, P of getting a tail. What's the formula? The same formula, number of favorable outcomes divided by total number of outcomes. How many outcomes are favorable to our question? Our question is getting a tail. So the favorable outcomes, number of favorable outcomes is 1 divided by total number of outcomes is 2. So here also the probability value is 1 by 2. Again, another example, if I take the case of tossing a die. Which are the possible outcomes in the case of tossing a die? The possible outcomes are either 1 can appear or 2 can appear or 3 or it can be 4 or it can be 5 or it can be 6. So there are 6 cases while tossing a die. So all these 6 cases are said to be in a sample space that we will discuss later. So while tossing a die, there are 6 cases. Either a 1 can appear or a 2 or a 3 or a 4 or a 5 or a 6. Suppose I want to find the probability of getting 1. So we will write like this, P of getting 1. P of getting 1 is equal to how many outcomes are favorable here to 1. There is only 1 in total. So the numerator will be 1 divided by, and the denominator for the formula is total number of outcomes. How many outcomes are there in total? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the denominator value is 1 by 6. So the probability is P of getting 1 is equal to 1 by 6. Again in the same case, if I want to find the probability of getting an even number. If I want to find the probability of getting an even number in the same sample space, check how many even numbers are there. Which are the even numbers? 2 is an even number, 4 is an even number and 6 is an even number. So the number of favorable outcomes is 2, 4 and 6 are favorable to our question even number. So how many outcomes are favorable? 3 divided by total number of outcomes is here also 6. So the denominator will be 6. So the probability is 3 by 6, which is 1 by 2. Again, if I want to find the probability of getting an odd number. Same is the case. How many odd numbers are there? 1 is an odd number, 3 is an odd number, 5 is an odd number. So number of favorable cases is here also it is 3 divided by, and how many in total? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the total denominator is 6. Here also the value is 3 by 6, which is 1 by 2. So clear. Thank you.